How to fix Instagram chat team option not showing in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys you want to do is go into the settings in your phone, and then you have to go into the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So after that you have to wait a few seconds, it will start loading as you can see, and then scroll until you find the WhatsApp app and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you into this page. This is the app informations page. First thing, click on the force stop option and then click on the data usage. After you click on the data usage, make sure that every option right here is enabled. After that, go back and you want to do one last thing, which is go to the storage, and now you have to click on this clear data right here. Even though that you will lose all the data, but the problem is gonna be fixed. After that, you have to open the Play Store and update your Instagram right there easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.